Nepal is inked new agreements worth $777.6 million with the Asian Development Bank. These agreements will finance projects to improve water and energy infrastructure, including safe water supply for Kathmandu, enhanced electricity transmission and modernized irrigation to boost agricultural productivity in the Himalayan nation. In order to increase Nepal's energy capacity and facilitate the green energy exports, the infrastructure project includes the South Asia Sub-Regional Economic Cooperation Electricity Transmission and Distribution Strengthening Project and a second phase of water supply improvements for the Kathmandu Valley. The agreements also support the Irrigation Modernization Enhancement Project and the Green Resilient Inclusive Development Program that aims to improve environment sustainability and boost agricultural output. For the latest on this, our correspondent Saloni Murarka has sent us this report from Kathmandu. Listen to this.
Nepal government and Asian Development Bank have signed a loan and a grant agreement focusing on Nepal's energy and water sectors. This agreement has reached to implement some infrastructure projects and a program that focuses and aims to provide reliable and safe water in Kathmandu Valley and to also address the rising demands of energy in the country while promoting green energy exports. ADB has been supporting Nepal in boosting agricultural productivity, ensuring year-long irrigation, and also an attempt to strengthening the climate-resilient infrastructure in the country. Just earlier this month, ADB and Nepal celebrated 5 decades of partnership in energy sector. Nepal Asian Development Bank has played instrumental role in Nepal's energy sector, particularly in hydropower. To date, ADB has committed 502 public sector's loans, grants, and technical assistance that amounts to over $800 billion to Nepal. The Nepal Asian Development Bank has projected the economic growth of 4.9% for Nepal in the next fiscal year. Saloni Murarka for WION World is One in Kathmandu.
For latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.